Hello there. We're out at my woodworking bench out behind the house. If you watch my hand tool wood guy channel, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, we're out at my woodworking bench in the back of my yard. And I have received a gift from a friend of mine, Wayne. Um, I pretty much know what this is, but I like the way he addressed it. Anyway, we're going to open this up and have a look at what's in it. My hands would stop trembling. As you get older, that's one thing you really don't prepare for. I've had like many trimmers in my hands for probably 10 or 15 years. And I wouldn't consider myself elderly yet, but yeah. So anyway, he sent me a friend. What's up, buddy? Come on. Where'd you go? Come on. I won't hurt you none. Come this way. He sent me a little spotter friend, a little eight-legged friend, all the way from Tennessee. It's all right. You need to figure out how to open it, where the tape is. Fine. One way or the other. Coming open. This is a Norton. I believe this is a fine India. Nice. Lovely 3x1/2 inch by 8-inch stone with case. That thing's beautiful. If you don't know by now, you've been living in a cave somewhere if you watch my shows. India's crystalline and the Arkansas stones, they are the bomb. There is nothing like them. I don't care what you want to put in front of me. There's some really awful good stones in this world, and I love pretty much all of them that are really good stones. But the Norton man-made oil stones and the Arkansas stones, you cannot find anything better for most general sharpening needs. There's not anything that's any better than them. Nothing. This is an arc. This is soft and a 3x1/2 inch by 8. Gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous because it's soft is like the workhorse, and they are some of the best general purpose sharpening stones on this planet, and that one is absolutely beautiful. I love the lighter arc. And this is from Dan's. with all this packing material I tucked away. Every now and then he sends a little note. I want to make sure I don't miss that. If it's in here, it's not. That's all right. We talked about it. He told me everything I needed to know. I just want to make certain that I didn't miss a note. Just gorgeous, soft right there. And this should be a hard. Yeah. In my opinion, I haven't even opened this box yet, or this sharpening stone box, but in my opinion, one of probably the most beautiful Arkansas stones you will find is some of the hard Arkansas. And that is no exception. That's blooming gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Man, when oil hits that, that's going to be absolutely beautiful. Even more beautiful than that. I mean, you can look where some sweat hits that, how black that's going to turn. That's just going to be absolutely beautiful under oil. Fantastic. Thank you, Wayne. They will be used and loved, not just because they're Arkansas stones, but because of who it is that sent them to me. Bless you, my friend. So we have a Dan's soft and a Dan's hard. Let's fine India. Gorgeous stuff. And when I go to use these, what I'll do is this is a holder, that's what it is. They fit right on top of that. I'll either do that or I'll use one of my stone holders, depending on where I'm at and what I'm doing. If I'm out here at the bench, it would be this, and the soft Arkansas, probably this hard Arkansas, and then to black of the same size. If you can't get a tool sharp with that, I would tell you. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Bless you. Bless you, Wayne. I'll talk to you all later.